This is the synthetic signal report for Friday, July 10th, 2026, in the morning. Today, we analyze the emergence of GigaWiper as a new destructive threat, the first ever robotic surgery conducted via teleoperation on live subjects, the transition of Google's open health stack to the Linux Foundation, the benchmarking of AWS Graviton 5, and research into language goal grounding in world models.
Microsoft Threat Intelligence has documented GigaWiper, a new destructive backdoor that demonstrates a modular approach to system compromise. Rather than developing a unique payload from scratch, GigaWiper functions as a platform that integrates code from several disparate, older malware families. It combines advanced wiping capabilities with ransomware-style encryption features. This consolidation suggests an evolution in malware development, where operators treat established malicious code as reusable components. Security teams should prioritize monitoring for anomalous file wiping behavior and unexpected background processes, as this malware is designed specifically to cause permanent data loss while masking its own provenance. In an unprecedented medical milestone, human surgeons have successfully performed gallbladder removal on living pigs using humanoid robots. Unlike experiments involving fully autonomous machines, this operation relied on human expertise to remotely control the robot's movements. This represents a significant step in teleoperated surgery, where high-latency, high-precision control is paramount. By utilizing humanoid form factors, the experiment suggests a future where surgeons could potentially conduct procedures from remote facilities using sophisticated tactile feedback loops. This is a leap in medical infrastructure that effectively decouples the surgeon's location from the patient, though it introduces new risks regarding network stability and signal interference during critical operations.
Google is transitioning its Open Health Stack project to the Linux Foundation, creating a new vendor-neutral home for the platform. This initiative is supported by a $3 million grant from Google.org and features backing from major players including Microsoft, Anthropic, and the World Health Organization. The goal is to establish an open-source standard for health data software. By moving the project out of Google's proprietary control, the initiative aims to build trust in global public health systems. This structural change is designed to ensure that the stack remains accessible and interoperable across different international health jurisdictions.
AWS has released the M9G and M9GD instances, which are the first to feature the new in-house Graviton 5 server processors. These units utilize ARM Neoverse v3 cores, providing a significant performance increase over the prior Graviton 4 generation. Internal benchmarks indicate a 30% geometric mean improvement in computational throughput. These chips feature up to 192 cores and a boosted clock speed of 3.3 GHz. This hardware evolution signals that cloud service providers are continuing to double down on custom silicon to offset the rising energy and density costs of running hyperscale workloads. Recent research published on Archive highlights two distinct frontiers in AI development. First, AgentLens has been introduced as a production-assessed benchmark for interactive code agents. Unlike previous benchmarks that only measure binary pass or fail results, AgentLens evaluates the entire trajectory of an agent, including its tool usage and error recovery. Second, researchers have examined the challenges of grounding spatial relations in compact world models. They discovered a trap where goal-conditioned predictors can achieve high accuracy on simple tasks while failing to truly understand spatial logic, signaling that current models may rely on statistical shortcuts rather than genuine world reasoning. Community chatter is currently focused on the following high-impact items. First, security researchers are responding to a critical vulnerability in Dell's Unisphere for PowerMax. The deserialization and XML external entity flaws in version 10.3.0.5 and prior require immediate attention, as they allow low-privileged remote attackers to potentially compromise storage arrays. Second, there is a surge in concern regarding a critical OS command injection vulnerability in Dell's PowerFlex Manager. With no patch currently available for versions prior to 5.1.0.1, admins are urged to restrict remote access and monitor system logs for suspicious activity. Third, developers are discussing the latest tool from GitHub Trending, a Photoshop AI Smart Enhance extension. This tool uses machine learning for non-destructive, real-time noise reduction and color correction, signaling a shift toward localized AI processing in creative workflows. Finally, privacy advocates are recommending the use of VLES and reality protocols via Celestride to mask traffic at the transport layer. This reflects a growing sentiment that without obfuscation, ISPs and government metadata collection efforts are effectively training AI models on every unencrypted packet sent by users.